So winter snow is here again in Toronto. Last night there was a huge snow, and look at here. It's the weather is so cold and windy outside. I just came to walk around. It's nice. Outside is so windy and still a little bit like the snow is drizzling. So let's see. I just walk outside and then I'm just going to the just far 5 minutes away and then come back and go to the coffee shop and then have some coffee and then keep warm myself, because I was sick for a few days, and then today I feel a little bit relief and then come back. Let's see. Still people still riding the bike, and then you can see it's so cold. This is Ontario actually like this is Ontario, and it's still exciting. See, this is the dockyard for the ships and small boats, and those are the condos. Beaver chop is good, you see. You can see how the beaver chop is snowballs. I'm going to show you to the street side, okay? This is the street side. People are waiting for the buses. There are a few buses coming from that side. Over here. So this is the Lakeshore Street. Where I'm start from is the hillside. You can see this is the hillside Avenue. Even there's a huge snowfall, there are a lot of people go to the work with their cars and on the buses. I had a little bit relief from yesterday's my back pain, so I came outside now. So after this, I'm gonna go home, have some coffee, and take rest. So this are there are the people coming home with the car, and rest of the there the purpose lady. I think it's a delivery boy. He's cleaning his path for the car. So you see, people shovel their snow to the one side and make a heap with snowfall. This is the shop here at Lakeshore side. Still a lot of snow outside. There's no car. (7-Eleven) and TD Bank. I felt a little bit tired because of walking on the snow. This is a convenience store here, and there are a lot of small restaurants and coffee shops here around the Lakeshore side. See, here's a shop, and some kind of like small souvenir shops and other shops. You can see the shops here, water shop, another restaurants here. This is the bus stop, Mimiko bus stop. That is the bus stop also for the people who's working towards the west side of the Etobicoke. Means there are a lot of factories and warehouses. People go to work from here at Mimiko. This is the community ground. Lakeshore side. Here's the coffee box. Here's the small shops and vendors side by the Lakeshore side. Actually, this is Lakeshore Street. It's very long way to the downtown, to the west of Etobicoke. So my God, my finger is swollen now. See my fingers? so cool. This is smaller too. This direction we're gonna go. Superior Avenue. We're gonna cross and go inside this lecture site. I'm gonna go inside that Mimico tea shop and then have some coffee. Superior Street. Okay. I'm leaving straight to the home site because there are a lot of people inside the coffee shop, so we don't have any space to sit for. I'm gonna go straight to the home. This is the apartment around here. So a lot of Tibetan people live in this site. Delivery boy. I have to receive a package from Amazon. Let's see. They have it or not. Actually, it's very cold outside. And you see the car is frozen. The bumper. This is the oldest e-bike I've ever seen. This one is moved by someone. I just make huge round and then come back. So I'm gonna go inside my place and then have tea and then take rest. You see, this is apartment. I'm gonna go inside this one.